What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video. There we go. So welcome to this live trading. As I was saying already, I'm here in the Excel office getting started. Finally, the office is basically ready, and we're looking to fly out the first members that bought the Funding Accelerated program. That being said, let's check out some charts. So we have EURUSD yesterday. If you go check the live trading that we did yesterday, the analysis on EURUSD was perfect. I marked out this area, and we had a perfect possible trade from here, which I didn't take because it was out of my trading times, but the analysis played out perfectly. Now, today I'm interested into this area right here, which caused the latest breakout structure of the major structure. We have it right here. We have this breakout structure. Now, there is the bigger area, which is the last move to the downside before move to the upside, and the refined area, which is this one that I'm taking into consideration. Now, of course, we are in the 15 minutes. We tapped into the key area already, and I went on lower time frames to check it out. Now, as you know already, I'm not interested into any V confirmation. I want to see good confirmations only. So I'm planning to wait and see price come down into the area slowly, maybe creating some good structure like this, and then switching direction, creating a good confirmation. And in this case, I will look to get involved. Now, this is my plan for EURUSD. I will look for this type of entries. And of course, the entries will be there only if this type of confirmation takes place. Otherwise, we don't take the trade. Just a reminder that all my trades with stop loss and take profit and entry level are sent to the signal channel. And that's it. Let's look at some questions. So we are receiving the first charts. First chart that I'm receiving is AUD-CHF. We have this supply right here. Now, the supply is actually good, but keep in mind that this move to the downside, yes, has big momentum with imbalance left behind. This internal liquidity that you marked out, which is great, but you need a very good
lower time frames confirmation here. The reason why I'm saying this is because this move to the downside didn't create any breakout structure, so it is not as high probability to hold as other setups. Basically, we have some questions. I just started with real money. Any advice? Don't change anything that you were doing compared to fake money, compared to the demo account. Don't change anything if you are profitable. Just keep the same approach. Trade based on the strategy and on the risk management, and that's the only way to be profitable. You just keep using risk management. You just keep entering those good risk to ratio trades, and that's it. There are some weeks where maybe I take 2 trades and I'm in a loss, and then with just 1 trade I go, I don't know, 5% in profit just because of 1 good trade. So that's all you need. Then we have some other charts. Euro GBP. This demand, no, I'm not that confident about this demand, but I like the bullish scenario either from this demand or from this lower demand right here. Now, for some more intraday moves, I will focus on, let me see, let's go to Euro GBP. So for some intraday moves, let me see. Just that I need to find a place where to put these. Like this. All right, for some intraday moves, I will look, yes, I would like to see this demand, that it is the one that you marked out, respected after going below Asian range. Now, we went already below Asian range, but I would like to see a bigger push down, tapping into this demand and giving good confirmation. Overall, I would try to catch a small move to the upside, maybe targeting either this supply or this higher supply. The reason why is because there are high probabilities that we have this lower demand, which might be the target for price to actually reach before continuing to the upside. Let's see some other questions. How many pairs do you recommend to trade when passing a challenge to get funded? This is up to you. I personally focus on EURUSD, GBPUSD, NZD CAD, and Euro GBP. Sometimes I take a look at gold and US30. That's it. I don't trade anything else. If I focus on all the pairs, it's too many pairs. At the same time, I don't like focusing on only one pair because I'm really, really strict with my setups. So I only take good setups that match my strategy. Therefore, if I only look at one setup, I might only take, I don't know, 2 trades per month. I've been backtesting EuroCAD for 2 months. Please take a look. You need to send your chart, please. I'm doing 50K funded challenge right now, thanks to your course. I'm glad, I'm really happy to hear that. That's my goal for all of my students, so that's really good. Oh, here we have Euro CAD, right? We grabbed external liquidity. Be careful because of this. Let me show you. So we grabbed external liquidity right here. Keep in mind that after grabbing external liquidity, like on the way to external liquidity, you can trade the demands that are created. So breakout structure, demand, breakout structure, demand, breakout structure, demand. Now here that we grab external liquidity, this move contains a lot of internal liquidity, and we might reach this demand, which I might actually point out also on my chart, even though I don't really trade EuroCAD usually. But I really like that if we target these internal liquidity and this demand for a possible entry to continue to the upside and target this external liquidity, then that's good. But after grabbing external liquidity, I would not trade from this demand, to be honest. How to send my chart? You can send the link of your chart. This is EuroCAD again from demand. I just covered it. be very careful because we just grabbed the external liquidity. And as you know, after grabbing external liquidity, we should be going for internal one. Now, that's not a rule that always applies, but it's a way to be very careful in order to enter trades. As I was saying, you could have entered trades from demand all the way up to target this external liquidity. So from demand, demand, demand. Now, after grabbing external liquidity, we are probably going for some internal one. So be careful.